In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust layers in Canva to create a multi-layered effect. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Canva and log into your account. If you're not already signed up, you'll need to create an account. Canva makes it easy with options to use your Google account or an email sign-up. Once you're logged in, you're ready to create a new canvas. Simply click on the Create a Design button at the top right corner and choose the dimensions that suit your project. Next, let's add some text to your canvas. Look to the left side menu and click on the Text tab. You'll see an option to add a heading. Click that and it will insert a text box onto your canvas. Type in the message or word you'd like to design with. Remember, this is your creative space, so feel free to express your unique style here. Now for aesthetics, let's change the font style. Click on your text box and then head to the top toolbar where you'll see a drop-down menu displaying different font options. Choose one that complements your design theme. Also, you may want to resize the font to fit your canvas appropriately. That option is available right next to the font style selection. Once you're satisfied with your text settings, we'll add some flair. Click on Effects in the floating toolbar at the top of your screen. Here you have multiple options, but for a layered effect, click on Outline. This will give your text a border, making it stand out more prominently. You can adjust the thickness of the outline by using the slider provided. Experiment with different levels to see which suits your design best. Also, don't forget that color can drastically change the impact of your text, so go ahead and change the outline color if needed. Now that your text is set, it's time to save your work. Navigate to the Share button located at the top right corner and click on it. This reveals a menu where you'll select the download option. Make sure that your file type is set to PNG. It's crucial to check transparent background if you want your text to be layered over other elements seamlessly in future designs. After downloading, you'll want to delete the text from your canvas so you can re-upload it, adding new effects. Head over to the Uploads tab in the left side menu and upload your text image. With the text re-uploaded, select it and click on Edit in the top toolbar. Scroll down past the Effects tab to find Shadows. Click on it and choose an option, such as Outline or any other shadow effect that pleases you. You can adjust the size and color of the shadow effect here, allowing each layer to stand out uniquely. Keep repeating these steps, adding different shadow effects and adjusting them until you're satisfied with your multi-layered design effect. This process is all about creativity and iteration, so don't rush. Enjoy experimenting with Canva's features and let your design come to life. And there you have it. Simple steps to create a stunning multi-layered effect using Canva. I hope you learned something new and can use these techniques in your future projects. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.